Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So it's been a while since I've done a video of me doing my hair and getting myself together. So today we are going to go ahead and give myself a nice little mold. Now I started out by shampooing and conditioning my hair using our B7 Beyond, which is our biotin and volumizing collection. And then I used a little bit of styling gel as well as our Elite Silk Wrap Foam to mold my hair. Now, before I did that, I wanted to put a little bit of our B7 serum in my somewhat problematic areas or areas that I kind of think the problem is beginning to start. I typically directionalize my hair right at my temple lobe. And then, of course, my crown is always just super tender, period, from stress. So that is exactly where I targeted my B7 Beyond Hair Serum. And then before I actually molded my hair, I put a dime-sized drop of frizz control on my hand and then rubbed it into my larger part of my hair, mainly because I want to just protect the moisture content in that area. So you guys know that oil and water don't mix, neither do silicones. So I put that on my hair just to kind of give it a little added protection, which is something that I've recently started doing. And it really helps to keep that area from dehydrating, especially because I like that area to be a lot longer. So that is definitely something that you can do as well. A little goes a very long way, you guys, which is why I only use a dime size amount. And then I went ahead and molded my hair using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam, which is my go-to, of course, for my wrapping, no matter if they're natural, relaxed, whatever. Now, this particular technique is the same thing as if you were to use the rapid strips. So you can choose whichever one works better for you. I like to use these papers when my hair is nice and straight, mainly because it dries really quickly and it lays the hair down. But if you're not comfortable, definitely use those rapid strips and just tie it off in the front. And then, of course, I went under the dryer for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then I came to come and get my hair curled up. So I am starting to adapt the more curly crown area rather than spiky curled crown area. So I am actually doing some actual curls, you guys. Typically, I'm not doing curls. Typically, I like my hair nice and spiky. But because I am growing the top out a little bit longer than normal, the spikes won't really last. So the curls actually last a lot longer. And this is something that I kind of fell in love with over the last month or so. When I got my hair done in New York during the Thanksgiving holiday, I got the curls and I just kind of fell in love with them, which is the reason why I decided to continue doing the curls for right now. Now, I also want you guys to take note that the smoke that you're seeing is not my hair burning. I want you guys to keep in mind that I did put some of that frizz control on my hair, which does also serve as a heat protectant, a sealer, a glossifier, and of course, did I say heat protectant? Heat protectant. Okay. So that is just basically the heat protectant doing exactly what it needs to be doing, which is repelling the direct heat that I'm putting on my hair. And then from there, I'm just giving myself what I call little donut rolls or little spirals. Just all, and you can do it in the same row. You can do them in different places. It's really not a wrong or right or wrong to this. It's just more to make sure that you give yourself some nice, tight, smooth curls. No fish hooks over here, you guys. And then after that, okay, let me give you a little disclaimer. I am curling my own hair, which can sometimes be a little more complicated to see the areas that are not going to always be perfect. Of course, if I was getting this done by my stylist, then of course everything would be all intact, but I did the best that I could. And this is how you learn, you guys. I tell you guys all the time, for those of you that say, oh, I don't know how to do my own hair. I don't do this. I don't do that. Well, you keep saying you don't know how to do your own hair, but I don't see you practicing. Practice makes perfect. I did not start curling my hair the first day and get it down pat 100%. It took me try and try and try and try again to see where I went wrong, where I went right, what I needed to improve on. And this is exactly what you should be doing when you are learning to take better care of your own hair. A lot of you entrust the stylist and then want to get mad when your hair is just jacked up because you entrusted another person who really at the end of the day is only doing your hair for basically the money. And then at the same time, you are giving them free range to just do whatever. You have no idea what relaxer you use. You have no idea what shampoo your stylist has been using. You have no idea what care products your stylist uses. You know why? Because you don't ask, or number two, your stylist doesn't want to tell you because they don't want you to be able to manage and take care of your hair on your own out of fear that you are never going to come back to them, which I understand. But listen, if that stylist is not available, you should be able to take care of your own hair. Okay? So you always want to ask what products are being used in your hair. You always want to keep a written record of what products are good for your hair, what products are working, what products are not. The good thing is our Elite Hair Care products are professional shrink products, but they are definitely amazing to be used at home. So you have all that you need to care for your hair as a professional, okay? Super important as a professional, because remember, we are pros over here. We are not novices, we are pros. So you want to make sure that you are using pro products all at the same time. Now, I'm using my little pick here. I just wanted to let you guys know that we do have a new limited edition hair comb / pick that will be releasing come January. It is gold in color and I super love it. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. And it actually is going to be kind of like the comb that you seen me using just a moment ago, but it has even better teeth. And it also has a different style pick on it. Now, to make my hair hard, I always use that creamy, cracky, pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Okay, yeah. So pump it up is the only thing that holds my hair in place. There's no other spritz on this planet that can hold it in place. So that's why I use it. Hence the reason why I also said I use that frizz control to kind of protect my hair in the crown, because I know that I dry it out by utilizing a lot of spritz, you guys. Okay, I'm not perfect. I'm just like everybody else. There's certain necessary evils that we all use. Anyhow, you guys, that is your girl's hairstyle to kind of last me through to get myself together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Hey pros, just wanted to let you guys know about our LEPUR gift sets that are limited edition for the holiday season. Shop now and you'll get your gift sets before Christmas so that you can gift your family member or friends with one of our amazing holiday sets. These sets include a full-size LEPUR luxury super scent, also the matching fragrance, lotion, and shower gel. Visit crystalwonline.com.